Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. D. Sachindarana, Professor MBA Department from Bhavana Venkatachalmaya, Institute of Science and Technology. So today my topic is operation management and its functions and nature. Before going to operation management, we want to understand what operation is. Operation, the act of processing, of operating or keeping something working or action is called operation. So here the concept of management denoted a change in the field of manufacturing and services in the economy. I want to talk manufacturing is nothing but industry, is also known as a company. Suppose the Vishaka steel plant working by the grace of the land, construction, machinery, what are the equipment, human resource, finance experts, all these things are working. That is called operation process. The following the operation management in the field of study that focuses on the effective planning, scheduling, use and controlling of manufacturing or service organization through study of concept from designing, engineering and industrial engineering and inventory management and the functions of functions as they affect the organization. The following the scope of organization: activities connected to the design and the production system. We know very well operation. I want to talk about management. Management is an activity. Management is a management is an activity. Management is a dynamic. Management is a organ. Suppose our body working together by the grace of a number of organs. The main function of the production system is to take decisions related to the production system design. This movement deals with the production engineering. It molds designing of tools regarding designing, developing and installing various equipment. This is called activities connected to the designing of production system. It is a system connected number of engineering plans, technology such as thorough knowledge in the areas such as engineering, medical, management, law, science and technology. That is called activity connected. Suppose not Visakhapatnam steel plant, Reliance company you can study all over the world level the organization developing by the grace of IT technology, machinery, tools, techniques, mechanization, mechanical engineering also connected purely designing production system. Second one is activities related to the analysis and controlling of activity. Once the product system is designed, there is a need to analyze and control it. The concerned activity including the following the parameters: production planning, production controlling, quality control. I want to talk about first one is production planning. Production, final product come out from the organization to the ultimate customer is not easy. It is a difficult task. As a result, production, the final product is said to be demanded by the grace of a consumer. Consumer selected number one product. The product is said to be demanded. The product has number of features. Example, cell phone. Cell phone features, characters, design, size, color, highly sophisticated, maintain, price. What are the words of Facebook? Number of features have. As a result, the product is demanded. That is called production. Planning. Planning, deciding now what is to be, where is to be, whom is to be done by individual is called production planning. Example, steel product. Every individual, every organization have to demand a steel product. Construction building, construction industries, households, business people constructed their own property, own building, at least a piece of land. Construct, that is called steel product is demanded every grain. That is called production planning. Next one is production control. Apart from that, planning production function deals with the control of a production plan. Controlling, we know very well. The production control, the management function is planning is the first function. Controlling is the last one. But actually, that doesn't mean like that. But the controlling, apart from the planning, the production function deals with the control of the production plans. Plans. Every organization, their own plans. Individual, fellow, their own ideas, views, thoughts, their mind, they can act. Luckily, God provides a human being mind more than supercomputer. But the plans not at all implemented. God provides equal intelligence among all the people. But utilization of mind power is very low. A few people utilize the mind power, IQ, intelligence, ability. That is called plan, individual plan. Okay. Quality control. Quality control, production manager also deals with quality control issues. Product quality is the function of manufacturing and engineering which to establish the extent of the product meeting the anticipation of the client. These are all the production control. Next one is functions of operational management. What are the functions to be? The following points, 1 to 10 points. First one is production planning. We know very well final product by the grace of organization, not only steel, any product, agriculture, consumer goods, durable, perishable, what are the highly sophisticated computers, software, every product, that is called production planning program, both short run as well as the long run, like routing, scheduling, preparation of orders, and the preparation of demand schedule are handled by the production planning. Production planning, we observe the not only Vishaka Steel, another Reliance, a separate manufacturing company, the following the route, scheduling, preparation of orders, and the preparation of demand schedule are handled by the production planning. A separate the product made by the grace of organization, the following the parameters. Quality control is nothing but total quality control. The production manager has been interested with the responsibility to maintaining the quality of final product according to the specialization by the customer. Quality control. Quality is nothing but is a brand, name, fame. The product control by the manager, production manager. A fellow belongs to the manager in the production process. Control understand a separate segment is there. Segment means a separate part in that organization. Manager has been responsible to maintaining the quality of final product according to the specialization by the customer. Specialization such as what are the quality control, total quality management, what are the finance, HR, system, all these specialization were studied by the production manager. Next one is industrial engineering. Industrial engineering may be defined a branch of engineering which provides solutions as how to optimize various complex process or system. Next one is purchasing. Purchasing is the material and equipment to form the part of the production function. Again, plant engineering, manufacturing, methods, inventory control, plant layout and material handling, work measurement and other functions. So thank you one and all.